Hi, I'm Stephanie with Wunderlich America, where German engineering meets the real-world needs of passionate riders. Today, we're talking about a small upgrade that makes a big impact on your day-to-day riding experience, the Wunderlich Instrument Protection Film. Now, think of your instrument cluster as the VIP section of your bike. It's where all of your most important data lives. Speed, fuel range, trip info, navigation, and yeah, even that playlist you've dialed into the TFT. But here's the thing, like any VIP, it needs a little extra protection. And that's where the smart, stylish, and super practical upgrade comes in. The Wunderlich Instrument Protection Film is designed to defend your display from scratches, scuffs, and damage without compromising visibility or design. Whether it's a rogue key in your pocket, a glove, strap, or a tool brushing across the dash during maintenance, your instrument cluster is always at risk. And let's be honest, a scratched up screen isn't just annoying, it can hurt your resale value and your visibility on the road. We offer two versions, so you can choose the one that best suits your riding style. First up, the ultra clear version. It's virtually invisible once applied, so you can maintain that sharp, crisp factory look with zero distortion. It's smooth, durable, and provides long-term defense against scratches while keeping your display looking brand new. Or if you find yourself riding into the sun more often than not, check out the anti-glare version. It gives you the same level of protection, but with a matte surface that diffuses harsh sunlight and reduces glare, making your screen easier to read in bright, direct light. Perfect for riders who don't let daylight or dusk slow them down. Installation is quick and frustration-free. Each kit comes with 2 screen protectors, an adhesive pad to lift off dust particles, a polishing cloth to clean the surface, and a squeegee to help you apply the film without bubbles or blemishes. No trimming, no tools, no guesswork, just a perfect fit made for your BMW. Whether you go with the ultra clear or the anti-glare, both options offer peace of mind and an extra layer of protection where it counts. Keep your display pristine, keep your bike looking sharp, and keep your ride focused. Protect your investment with Wunderlich Instrument Protection Film. You can find it and plenty of other smart upgrades at wunderlichamerica.com. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more premium motorcycle upgrades, tips, and product spotlights. Ride safe, and we'll see you out there.